Hello from MUSUBI Kitchen in Japan. I'm Tomoa. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the most beloved type of ramen, Miso Ramen. It's rich, savory, and packed with the flavor, a delicious bowl you can enjoy any time of the year. I'll be serving it in one of our brand new ramen bowls, so be sure to check that out. Alright, let's get started. Let's start with the ingredients. These are all commonly found at Japanese or Asian grocery stores, but feel free to make substitution with what you have at home. The full list of ingredients and a measurement is in the description below. Let's start by prepping the toppings. Cut the garlic chives, if using, into bite-sized pieces. Slice the green onion thinly for garnish, and cut the boiled egg in half. We will stir-fry the ingredients. Heat some cooking oil in a pan and sauté the grated garlic until it's fragrant. Add the ground pork and cook until it changes color. Next, add the bean sprout and garlic chives and stir-fry briefly, if you want to keep a bit of that nice crunch. Finally, add the corn and give everything a quick mix before turning off the heat. Now let's make the broth. Bring some water to a boil in a pot and dissolve in the chicken stock powder. Then add the miso, mirin, soy sauce, garlic, and ginger. Finish with a drizzle of sesame oil for extra aroma and flavor. In a separate pot, cook your ramen noodles according to the package instructions. Drain the noodles and place them in your ramen bowl. Miso ramen pairs the best with the medium-thick noodles. Now let's plate everything up. Today I'm using one of our newest ramen bowls. It's deep enough to hold plenty of broth and toppings, perfect for big, satisfying servings. It also gives your ramen a delicious-looking finish. Pour the broth over the noodles, then add the sautéed toppings and half-boiled egg. Top with chopped green onion or even a little butter if you like. And it's done! Homemade miso ramen, ready to enjoy! Itadakimasu! The miso flavor is so rich. The vegetables are so crispy. This bowl can warm your heart and body. I hope you try this recipe at home. If you're curious about the bowl that I used today, you can find a link in the description. I'd like to hear what you think in a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.